Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are doing well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a physical education class for the students of class 9. Let's see the board to look at the topic. It is chapter 8, lesson 1, page number 96, 97, 98, reading plus discussion. I am telling again, so look here, topic is chapter 8, okay. It is chapter 8, lesson 1, page number 96, 97, 98, reading plus discussion. This is our lecture number 10. Look here, this is our lecture number 10 on our half yearly 2021 syllabus. Dear students, in our previous class we learned chapter 8 lesson 1, the beginning about the rules and regulation of football. Today inshallah we shall learn or read 3 pages of lesson 1 and also the rules and regulations of footballs. So if you open your book, physical education, health science and sports book, page number 96, you will get this 96. Here you will see the rules. Okay, now we shall start reading from page number 96. Fifth number point, referee. A person who conducts the game is known as a referee. So referee is very important, is an important person in playing football. So number 6 number point, deputy referees. 2 deputy referees help the referees in the field. There is a 4th referee outside the field, he also helps the referee. 7 number, duration of the play. In international or national games, for each half of the play the time is 45 minutes with an interval of not exceeding 15 minutes. The start of play, players of both teams stay in their own half and the game will start with a kick off with the whistle of the referee. 9 number point, ball in and out of play. When the ball crosses the touch line or the goal line through air or ground, it is said to be out of the play. If the ball is on touch line or goal line, then it is considered to be in play. 10 number, the goal. When a ball crosses the goal line completely, may be in the air or on ground, a goal is declared. 11 number, outside, offside. If a player stays at the opponent half without ball and 2 opponents are not in front of him, and in that position if he receives a ball from his teammate, he will be considered as offside. 12 number, fouls and misconduct. There are 2 types of kick for fouls and misconduct: direct free kick and indirect free kick. A free kick will be given if a player commits any of the following offense: kicks or attempt to kick an opponent, trips an opponent, for example throwing or attempting to throw him by the use of the legs or by stopping in front of or behind him, jumped as an opponent, charged an opponent in a violent or dangerous manner, charges an opponent from behind unless the latter is obstructing, strike or attempt to strike an opponent or spits at him, holds an opponent, pushes an opponent, handles the ball, for example carries, strikes or propels the ball with his hand or arms. This doesn't apply to the goalkeeper within his own penalty area. And an indirect free kick will be the following fouls. Page number 97. Playing is a manner considered by the referee to be dangerous. For example, attempting to kick the ball while held by the goalkeeper. 2 number, charging freely, for example with the shoulder when the ball is not within playing distance of the player concerned and they are definitely not trying to play it. When not playing the ball, intentionally obstructing an opponent, for example running between the opponent and ball, or interposing the body so as to form an obstacle to an opponent. charging the goalkeeper except when he, so look here, is holding the ball, is obstructing an opponent, has passed outside the goal area. Fifth number, when playing as a goalkeeper and within his own penalty area, from the moment he takes control of the ball with his hand, he takes more than 4 steps in any directions whilst holding, bouncing or throwing the ball in the air and catching it again without releasing it into play or having released the ball into play before. During or after the 4 steps, he touches it again with his hand before it has touched or played by a player of the opposing team either inside or outside of the penalty area, or by a player of the same team outside of the penalty area, subject to the overriding conditions of 4CO. So, touches the ball with his hands after it has been deliberately kicked to him by a teammate. Or D number, indulges in tactics which in the opponents of the referee are designed to hold up the game and thus waste time and give an unfair advantage to his own team. 13 number, free kick. A goal that can be scored directly from a kick is called free kick. A goal that is not scored from a kick is indirect free kick. 14 number, penalty kick. If any player of defending team inside the penalty area commits any foul out of those 10 fouls, then opponents will get penalty kick, but the law number 10 is not applicable for the goalkeeper if it is a direct free kick. Next, 15 number point, throwing. If the ball crosses the touch line by a touch of any player, the opponent team will throw the ball from that place. This is called throwing. 16 number, goal kick. If the ball crosses the goal line outside of 2 goals posts by the touches of an opponent player, game starts with a kick. This is called goal kick. 17 number, corner kick. When the ball crosses the goal line outside the goal post by own team, the opponents will get a corner kick. Skills of game. Football is a speedy game. It requires good physical fitness and also skills. A player having speed, stamina and skills will be a good player. Basic skills of football are as follows: kicking, heading, dribbling, trapping, tackling and goalkeeping. 1 number, kicking. Football is played by legs. One who can acquire skills to control the ball by their legs will be able to play football. There are 3 sides of legs. They are inside, outside steps. A player uses these 3 sides. Football player can play different types of kicks using different parts of the legs, but an inside kick that is easy and correct can give pass to the nearer player. Many times a player uses outside kick while giving pass to the right side player. That means giving pass by using outer side of the foot. Player kick hard to the middle of the ball using right foot, placing in their left foot left side of the ball, also keeping an eye on the ball to send it straight rolling on the ground. Players maintain a balance by spreading both hands, kicking foot going straight and forward. Kicking the lower side of the ball will send it high. So look here there are 6 points, and among these 6 points I am telling. So look here, it is kicking, heading, dribbling, trapping, tacklings and goalkeeping. Okay, among these 6 points today we shall read up to kicking. That means next class we shall read the other portions. So dear students, today we have read from page number 96, 97 and 98. Inshallah, in our next class we shall read the next pages of lesson 1, football rules and regulations. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.